My video guide is about getting rid of Yourbestlinkupgrade.work fake software update alerts that currently attack Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other popular browsers. The real mission of these fake software update alerts is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. The pop-up says that it's some update of Adobe Flash Player, but in reality, when people mistakenly agree with the proposal and install this so-called update, they instead may install certain browser hijackers, adware, or some potentially unwanted programs. In the light of this information, do not ever interact with all these fake survey messages. And if you see something suspicious in your browser, disregard them. As you can also clearly see, the pop-up uses the logo of Apple Software Update. But the point is that Apple doesn't use any third-party websites like this to promote its updates. And if there is any decent update available, you'll see a special notification in the software update section in your system preferences. So you'll be able to proceed and to install that update if it is available. You need to leave this page and to disregard its misleading content. Also, I would strongly advise that you check your available applications in your Mac. If you locate some items that are suspicious, delete them immediately. Finally, I would also strongly advise scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner. This is the antivirus for Mac, and you may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Once you successfully download and install the software, let it update the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan to initiate the thorough research of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.